to Schmiedmann. My name is Henrik and I'm the product manager here. So as you see in front of me, we have some new lights. We just received them from our supplier, some for a Mini and some for the BMW F30s. So I think we should have a closer look at the F30 model and see what they're all about. Well, here we have the F30 lights. So these fit an F30. They also fit the M3, the F9, the F80, and they are both for facelift and pre-facelift. They come with both plugs, so they are plug and play. As you see, they light up very beautiful and have their own sequence, and they look amazing on the cars. We have one in smoked color, which fit very well on dark cars, and then we have the more normal look in the red color. It's a deep red, and both will fit the 3 Series very good. So let's move on to the next one and have a closer look at the Mini lights. So let's have a look at the Mini lights. So these lights are for the R56 and R57 generation. They are up to 2010 models and prior. They come in 2 different versions, as you can see. One here that's the smoked look as the F30 lights, and one that's a more standard regular red look. So these have a beautiful red color and these have the more see-through black design. As you can see, they all share the same kind of design in the headlight, where you can see the British flag, the Union Jack. So a bit of tribute to the Mini history. That's basically it for them. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, welcome to our world of passion for BMW and MINI. Bye.